Introduction. Apple cider vinegar has gained significant popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits. It is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice and is known for its tangy flavor and numerous uses. However, knowing how to consume apple cider vinegar properly is crucial to maximize its benefits and prevent any potential side effects. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore various ways to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet, its potential health benefits, and some frequently asked questions related to its consumption. Let's know. 1. How to eat apple cider vinegar. 2. Benefits of consuming apple cider vinegar. 3. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. 4. Is apple cider vinegar safe to consume? 5. Frequently asked questions. 1. FAQ 1. Can I drink apple cider vinegar without dilution? 2. FAQ 2. How much apple cider vinegar should I consume in a day? 3. FAQ 3. Can apple cider vinegar help with weight loss? 4. FAQ 4. Can apple cider vinegar damage tooth enamel? 5. FAQ 5. Can apple cider vinegar interact with medications? 6. FAQ 6. Can pregnant women consume apple cider vinegar? How to eat apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be consumed in various ways. Here are a few popular methods. Diluted in water. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. This is a simple and effective way to consume apple cider vinegar. You can also add a teaspoon of honey to enhance the taste. In salad dressings, apple cider vinegar makes a delicious addition to salad dressings. Mix it with olive oil, herbs, and spices for a tangy and refreshing dressing. As a marinade, use apple cider vinegar as a marinade for meats and vegetables. It not only adds flavor but also helps tenderize the food. In beverages, incorporate apple cider vinegar into your favorite beverages like smoothies or herbal teas. It adds a unique twist and provides potential health benefits. Remember, it is essential to start with small amounts and gradually increase the dosage to allow your body to adapt. Consuming too much apple cider vinegar at once may cause digestive discomfort. Benefits of consuming apple cider vinegar. Consuming apple cider vinegar may offer several potential health benefits. Some of these include aiding digestion. Apple cider vinegar is believed to improve digestion and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. It may help alleviate symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Blood sugar control. Research suggests that apple cider vinegar can help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. Weight management. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into a healthy diet and exercise regimen may aid in weight loss. It can help increase feelings of fullness, reduce calorie intake, and boost metabolism. Heart health. Some studies indicate that apple cider vinegar may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure levels, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Antimicrobial properties. Apple cider vinegar possesses antimicrobial properties, which may help inhibit the growth of certain harmful bacteria and fungi. While these potential benefits are promising, it is important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the effects of apple cider vinegar on various health conditions. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. To make apple cider vinegar a part of your daily routine, consider the following tips. Start with small amounts. Begin with 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar per day and gradually increase the dosage to a maximum of 1 to 2 tablespoons. This allows your body to adjust to the acidity. Mix with other ingredients. If you find the taste of apple cider vinegar unpleasant, mix it with water, honey, or other healthy beverages to mask the flavor. Use it in recipes. Experiment with using apple cider vinegar in various recipes, such as dressings, sauces, and marinades. It adds a tangy flavor and enhances the nutritional profile of your meals. Consider organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Opt for organic and unfiltered apple cider vinegar, as it contains the mother, a cloudy substance that contains beneficial enzymes and bacteria. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine. Is apple cider vinegar safe to consume? Apple cider vinegar is generally safe to consume when used in moderation. However, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Acidic nature. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, so consuming excessive amounts of undiluted vinegar may irritate the throat or damage tooth enamel. Always dilute it in water or other beverages. Interactions with medications. Apple cider vinegar may interact with certain medications, such as diuretics and insulin. If you are on medication, consult your healthcare provider before consuming apple cider vinegar regularly. Digestive side effects. Some individuals may experience digestive side effects like stomach upset, nausea, or diarrhea when consuming apple cider vinegar. If these symptoms persist or worsen, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Allergies. Individuals with apple allergies should avoid apple cider vinegar or use it with caution. As with any dietary supplement, it is important to listen to your body and adjust the dosage or discontinue use if you experience any adverse effects. Frequently asked questions. FAQ 1. Can I drink apple cider vinegar without dilution? No, it is not recommended to drink apple cider vinegar without dilution, due to its high acidity. Undiluted vinegar may cause throat irritation and damage tooth enamel. Always dilute apple cider vinegar in water or other beverages. FAQ 2. How much apple cider vinegar should I consume in a day? It is advisable to start with 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider,